When you buy a bike, the only stand you're given is one of these. They're not very practical and they really don't look very professional. So today in the 24MX workshop, I'm going to show you 5 bike stands that will really raise your game. So the first stand I'm going to show you today is this, the Proworks Heavy Duty Mechanic Stand. It's a traditional pump-up stand, which is great after a long ride. You don't have to lift your bike up onto it. It comes in multiple colours, but let's show you what it looks like with the bike. So like I said, the stand comes in multiple colours to match your bike. We've got red for the red Honda here. And the stand is great if you're maybe a beginner or a kid. You don't have to be strong and lift your bike up to a stand. Just place it under there. Make sure you're in the centre and pump up like so. It's nice and sturdy, it makes working on your bike at the track in the paddock so easy. And the Proworks Heavy Duty Mechanic Stand is capable of holding bikes up to 150 kilograms. You can also get the Proworks Heavy Duty Mechanic Stand with some wheels here, which is great for close quarters working on the bike in the garage or the workshop. The wheels have brakes on them to stop the stand rolling away anywhere whilst you're working on the bike. You've also got a safety hook here, just for extra peace of mind. So this was the Proworks Heavy Duty Mechanic Stand. Let's move on to the next one. Up next, we've got the Proworks Foldable Bike Stand. As you can see, it's lightweight, easy to carry and easy to store. And it's way stronger than you might think. It can hold bikes up to 250 kilograms. Hopefully I'm not 250 kilograms, but let's get a bike on it. And there we have it, the Proworks Foldable Bike Stand. Let's move on to the next one. So up next we have the Proworks Essential Bike Stand. This is a traditional stand here, looks great in my opinion, very sturdy, can hold bikes up to 250 kilograms. It's got this rubberized top for extra grip. It does come in parts so you do have to assemble it, but like I say, it's super sturdy. So let's get a bike on it. So there we have the Proworks Essential Bike Stand. Makes working on your bike in the workshop or at the paddock super easy. Let's move on to the next one. So next up we have the Proworks Scissor Lift. This is a high lifting versatile bike stand that comes in 2 different versions. This one here with the wheels and a version without wheels. Before we get the bike on it, let me just show you some of the features here. Also we've got the wheels that can lock into place to make sure your bike doesn't go rolling off anywhere at the track or in the workshop. We've got this knob here to lock into place or loosen so you can lift like this. Turn the other way to go back down. Let's get the bike on it. So we've also got some extra safety features. First of all, the foot peg hook here just goes in here. Make sure it's in and then just tighten up there to make sure the bike's not falling off anywhere. Then we can start pumping up. You see how high we can go. As you can see, properly high we can go here, which makes working on your bike so easy. And the wheels as well makes working in close quarters in the workshop or your garage very easy as well. You can turn a bike any way you need to. And then we've got this bar here that just slides through. And that'll stop the bike from falling down off of the stand in any circumstances. So that's the Proworks Scissor Lift. Let's move on to the final stand. Okay, so we've gone from the most advanced stand to the most simple one. This is the Proworks Folding Stand. Super simple, easy to use, just fold it out like so. Use your wing nut or your butterfly nut. Screw that in there to lock it into place. And there we have, super simple bike stand, heavy duty, sturdy, full of confidence putting your bike on there. So let's do it. So there we have it, the Proworks Folding Stand. Super simple and easy to use. So there we have the full range of Proworks bike stands. You can find one that suits you best and you can see them all on the 24MX website. My name's Max, thanks for watching the 24MX workshop. Till next time, thanks for watching.